Here's how to use the words at, in, and on. At, in, and on are prepositions that show time and place. The word at is used when you are talking about specific times, locations, points of reference, and age. For example, I am at the beach, or I am going to the beach at 11 o'clock. The word on is used when you are talking about specific days, dates, surfaces, streets, lines, and specific modes of transport. For example, I am on the sand at the beach, or I am going to the beach on Saturday. The word in is used when you are talking about longer periods of time, enclosed spaces, and larger areas. For example, they are playing in the water at the beach, or they will be playing at the beach in 1 hour. Here's how to use the prepositions by and for. The word by is commonly used to show method, location, time, or measurement or rate. For example, I am by the restaurant, or Sean will be there by 7 o'clock, or he will get there by car, or she needs a 3x4 piece of wood. The word for is commonly used to show purpose, recipient, or duration. For example, I bought this kettle for you, or Stella brings a chest of toys for the party, or this movie goes on for 1 hour. Hope this helped you, and remember to like and subscribe for more lessons.